Hi guys, welcome back. Peace. So I was bored. So, oops. So I found the slime. So I got in the slime. Here. And we're gonna be playing with it. So yeah. So it's a cookie dough slime and scented. So it literally smells like cookie dough. So guys, rate this slime from 1 to 10 on the stuff we're gonna show you in this video. So the first thing is sticking your fingers in. So, ready? So rate that 1 to 10. Next thing that we're doing is the crunch. That's the next thing that we're doing. So let's do the crunch, sorry. So now we're doing the crunch. So how I get it to crunch is I need to zoom out of my camera. How to zoom out so I can so that was the crunch. I'm gonna try and do it one more time, but sometimes I can't do it. Let's try. And then if we didn't get it correct time, stretching this. I think that's stretching this is pretty good. Oh, we should do the folds. Because guys don't know what folds are. Basically just this. Folding it. So also, guys, if you want, like I said, it's optional. I don't know if I said that before, but if I've said that before, it's optional. But if you can, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to help me get more popular. Maybe even tell your family about me. Your friends, maybe. Then tell them, tell their friends, and tell their friends, and tell their friends, and tell their friends, and tell their friends. You know, maybe just spread the word about me. That'd be awesome. Also, you might have to, like, click on my thing to see how to actually get here. Because, I don't know, because I tried to search up my name before, the YouTuber, and it showed up as every YouTuber on here. So, I might be changing the channel name, so guys, I'll let you know if I do that. To something that is not that, because it doesn't pop up when I type that in. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Anyway, here are the little charms. I'll show you the little accessories that comes in the slime. You can probably see that thing already. But these are like little, they're supposed to be like a little chocolate. So this is one of them. It's like a little chocolate ball. And then this is like an actual chocolate chip. So this is supposed to represent. So yeah. But this isn't going to be a very long video. I don't think. It shouldn't be. It should be a short video today. I'm also tired, if you cannot tell, so yeah. But, did you guys carve pumpkins yet? Let me know, because I have not yet. Even though it's the 30th, tomorrow's the 31st, I should carve pumpkins, but you know what I'm not doing? Carving pumpkins yet. Comment down below what the next video should be about. I guess I have my last short. So. pretty, but guys, like, this is super, like, I guess, if you wonder what that is, that's just my dog's collar. I don't think, yeah, it's just my dog's collar. So, yeah, sorry my room is a mess, yeah. Like, I got a card for, like, Halloween, my dog's collar's there, all my junk is right there, I have, like, a horse thing, yeah, I love horses, so, yeah. I love horses, and if you wonder what this is, I have a little brother, and he had, like, a little, like, Halloween thing for school, and there was, like, tattoos, and he wanted me to get one, so, yeah, I got one. But I'm grabbing pumpkins today. Comment down below what you think I should do. If you see this video, comment down below what you think I should do. Because I have no clue. Also, comment down below how you look at your subscribers, so I can comment to you guys. So comment, and I'll tell you like all like the stuff that you guys want to know. And fan mail is accepted, and you guys don't know my phone number or address, but yeah. If you want to send me something, just text me and I'll private text you. I'll private comment you and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be quiet and it's just gonna be ASMR now. You ready? Okay guys, so bye bye. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So peace out and love you guys. So bye. And like I said, comment down below what you thought of this new slime, and also yeah, like what I should do, like next video, what I should do and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay. Also, I don't know why I should don't show my face in videos, but I should start showing my face in videos because I literally show whenever I'm doing stuff with my dog. So, like, cause showing your face isn't a big deal. It's just like giving out your like address and stuff, which I'm not doing. So sorry guys, bye. Unless I get the permission. Okay, so peace, love you guys, bye.